What's going on, guys? This is the small account challenge recap, and this is probably going to be the absolutely hardest recap I've made because, and it's not my fault, is the sad part. If it was my fault and why I lost money this morning, I would be 100% okay with it. So, what happened was I basically blew up my account. I'm going to show you this actually. Well, no, I'll just tell you. I'm down to like 300 something dollars off of technically two plays. I only wanted one play, and I didn't even want that by the end of it. And I'm just going to explain why. So let's go ahead and get started in here. Roku, right down here, it was having a horrible morning. And as you can see, it had a green candle right before market open. But I put market orders because at the very, very open of the market, it's really, really hard to get filled on limit orders for options. So I put order options. I think it was the 135, and I also had a 137 put. I've tried them both. So this thing opened up. I tried one. It started dipping down. It wasn't getting filled. If you guys use Thinkorswim, you know there's a green order over here when you're buying. I clicked the X. It canceled. So I have another screen over here to my left where it tells me my positions. I double checked it. There was nothing there. So I went over and I tried a different one and thinking maybe it'll be there. So I put another one in. It's moving again with the stock and nothing happens. I cancel it. So the first one actually got canceled. There was no problems. These next two, so that last one and this next one, I try another one at the same time. Neither one of these are getting filled. So I click the green X that's on there twice. I cancel them both. And all of a sudden, I look over here and I am instantly down. Because at this time, I wanted out of both of them because it starts pushing up. If I was going to take a $50 loss or, a $75 loss, I would have been okay with it. Not a great day still. Thankfully, I'm very, very green in my big account, which I had over here on E-Trade still. And it's doing absolutely amazing. I've never had a problem like this with Thinkorswim. That was my biggest thing. And I've been on the phone for literally since 9:45 with these people. So this one basically, so I literally look over and I'm in a position and this thing starts pushing and I'm down. So I'm trying to market order just to get out of these positions as fast as I can. And I end up, you guys can do the math. I'm down way too much. I'm down to $300 in my account, or 300 and some odd dollars in my account out of $1,000 account, which is absolutely, if I would have if it would have just told me I had the position, I wouldn't be mad because I would have been able to market sell it when it was still in here and been happy, not having to sell it, up here in the 140s as it's breaking this resistance, guys. As it's breaking this resistance, I'm trying to sell these other positions, just trying to get out of it because I know this thing's pushing. So thankfully, I wasn't so focused on it. I was more focused on my big account at this point because I knew I had to make some money back. So I went over on my big account and I played Roku calls. I was actually taking profits in here, and then I actually let 5 of them run because I was entering in here as I was exiting the other positions because I knew where it was going. And then I sold these. I didn't sell it up here. I was selling the rest of them up in here at the 142 mark because I wasn't for sure how far it was going to go. But guys, that is just the worst way to start a Tuesday. That's frustrating. That is super, super frustrating, guys. I hope you guys all had a better day than me. Not going to lie, I need to hit the reset button again. I don't know whether I need to refund this account and actually go in and trade with it, or do I need to just try to build it back up from $300? I mean, they're both options. Yeah. I've never been so frustrated in my life, to be 100% honest with you guys. I've never had that happen in my life. I've never had orders say that they were canceled and all of a sudden they're filled and now I'm losing money. Yeah, guys, it's 10 a.m. I'm going to go try to calm down, do something else for the day. I mean, I've had big losses. I mean, I just wasn't expecting this big loss on my small account today, of all days, after we had a pretty green day yesterday, I would say. But thank you guys all for watching. Hopefully tomorrow's recap will be a whole lot better. Thank you guys all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.